Hey everyone, it's Tanya Atomic. Today I'm going to be unboxing Apocalyptic Beauty, and this is January, which I get it the next month. Star-crossed lovers, but it's appropriate for February, Valentine's Day. The next one is Psychobilly Chic. Is next month. So let's open it up. Ooh, that is pretty with the roses and everything. You do get a business card. You get some Sweethearts candy. That is sweet. Conversation Heart Sweet Tarts. And in here you get Elisabetta. And you get, I'm going through this fast because I'll do a tutorial after, Josette from Dark Shadows. Elisabetta is from Dracula. And then we've got Julia, who is inspired by the book 1984. That's a nice blue here. And then we have River Song, which is a blush topper. So here's everything swatched. There's River Song, Julia, Josette, and Elisabetta is this last one. And I'm going to go ahead and with River Song, and I'm going to do, I have blush on already. I'm going to do a little topper action here. That is pretty. That's a peachy sparkle there. So that's pretty. Let me go ahead and do the eyes. So I did this eye off camera. I'm going to go ahead and do this. So I'm going to put Elisabetta in the crease. It's a nice sort of burgundy glowy shade. I'm not used to doing all shimmer looks, but I'll go ahead and do this. I'm getting a little bit of fallout because it's a, when you use loose shadows, it's easy to do that. So let me go ahead and wipe that off and be right back. So I went ahead and did this eye. I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the edge with Josette. These colors complement each other really, really well. Now, I did not think this blue would work, but actually it does. It kind of melds into the other colors and makes sort of a purple where they merge. And then kind of looks blue here on the inner portion. It looks really good. Let me finish up and be right back. Okay, this is everything finished. I really like how this turned out. I really enjoy Apocalyptic Beauty. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please subscribe or give me a like. And as always, thanks for watching.